are seeing the Glock 22 Gen 2s or even Gen 3s coming up now as used guns, police trade-in. This one that I'm shooting today, I've had since, I don't know, 2001, and it was a police trade-in. So it was in very good condition, had some holster wear. I replaced the sights with some Heine sights, nice steel sights, swapped out the trigger connector, and then shot the heck out of it for the better part of 11 years now, literally thousands and thousands of rounds. What I want to show you is that this older version is a great gun to consider if you want a 40, particularly because it's a proven design, it's incredibly durable, it works. It's easy to work on, as all Glocks are, and you can pick them up relatively inexpensively, often for $350, $375, but in a range where you can actually afford the gun. And it's a great tool, certainly a great self-defense tool, a great gun that you might want to have in the house for self-protection. One thing the Glock, the earlier versions did, is there was no rail, so there's no tactical rail, pick rail down here to attach a light or anything else. But that is not a deal breaker. The grip angle doesn't have the finger pulls on the front and the grip itself. I actually like that. That feels a little better to my hands, although I've been shooting the newer version, Gen 4 version, so I'm familiar with that. But this is a great alternative to consider if you don't want to spend $550 and you prefer to spend $350 and maybe spend the rest on ammo. This is a good way to do it. So I've got a target out here, and just going to do some drills, just show you the gun, both from a presentation standpoint, and then we'll do a little bit of accuracy testing on that. So, gun is very comfortable. Again, snappier than a 9mm, but certainly controllable. I'm just using factory ammo, 180 grain factory. So in that case, our magazine did not drop free. Sometimes that happens. When that happens, obviously you just strip the magazine out. And now I know why they're not locking back. I'm riding, because I was getting those malfunctions. I'm now riding the slide release so that I don't induce the malfunction. But what's happening is I'm riding that release here. What's happening is, as the gun comes back and would normally lock back after that last shot, my thumb is preventing that from happening. So I'm capable of inducing multiple malfunctions with the gun, but please remember, it's not the gun, it's just the shooter who's having a little bit of a brain lock here. Okay, so you can see here that in that firing string, you know, most of them are right there in center mass. I'm not shooting super fast. And so here we go with our accuracy test, and we'll take a look at the target after we fire a few. Okay, again, I'm 7 yards from the target. Let's go ahead and zoom in and see where we're at. So there we have it. You know, basically that's a 2-inch circle. I'm shooting just some, actually some Blazer stuff, so probably not the highest quality ammunition, 7 yards away, and we're able to get all those hits within a reasonable grouping. and it again speaks to the fact that the Glock 22 is an accurate gun. So the last string we're going to shoot is some 165 grain. This is the Ranger T ammo, which has been proven to be a great defensive round, one I like, one I use. So let's take a look at this. Very controllable. So that is the Glock 22 Gen 2 version. This is a police trade-in. There are a lot of these out there on the market. You can get them from somewhere between $300 and $400. I think they're a great handgun and one you should consider, especially if you don't want to buy a brand new gun. Certainly appreciate you watching, and as always, stay safe.